going to be talking about functions. So I want you to write this down. F of x. This is really f of x. But some people may consider it being f times x. However, that can't happen. So write a big not. Not possible. So we're going to make this note. F of x equals 3x. Draw an arrow to f, and we're going to describe f as the name of the function. Where the x inside is the variable. It's going to be the number that you're going to be plugging in. And this 3 of x over here, that is the directions. It's telling you what you need to do to solve the equation. For instance, let's say Julia of x. I don't know why I picked that name. Not like it's my name, but Julia of x equals 3x. What does 3x mean? What's happening between the 3 and the x? Multiplication. So this is really 3 times x. But what if we put Julia of 1? Then what would we do? If we have the 3, instead of x, we have Julia of 1. So we're going to multiply it by 1 to get you 3. This is, Julia is the name of the function. What we're multiplying is over here.
So like this is the name of the function?
Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
So what would Julia of 40 be? What would I be plugging in?
40.
40. Why 40, Chloe?
Because 40 is what x is.
And 3 times 40 equals 120. Now we're going to do a little activity. Now I need 5 volunteers who are willing to be a little embarrassed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cassie, you're 4. Chloe, you're 5. 6. Well, 7. Walter. Did I say 5 volunteers or 6 volunteers?
You said 5.
Okay, we'll do 5. Number 4. Cassie. Number 5 was Chloe.
Me. Number 5.
Who is number 2? Savannah? 7? Walter? And 1.
It's me.
Cassie, do you want an easy, medium, or hard problem?
Medium.
Medium?
You could use a calculator.
You can use
So
calculator.
grab a calculator, everybody.
I got you. Wait, what number are you? Here you go.
Now's a great time. Go for it.
Chloe, do you want an easy, medium, or hard?
Easy.
Is it alright if he uses a drill for 1 second?
Do you want them all in?
What?
Do you want them all in?
All three of
Savannah,
the
do you want an easy, medium, or hard? Walter, what do you want? Do you want you want an easy one? Abram?
I feel like shorts. I was telling him like it looks like the screws are like shorter than what you think. They're not even screws. It looks like it's greater than the holes are.
Okay. So Cassie of x equals negative x plus 4.
Alright, well, thanks for
Chloe of x equals
I was telling him,
2x.
like the screws seem short.
Savannah of x is x plus 5. Walter of x is 3. Abram of x is negative 2x to the 4th. Okay. So if the input is 1, everyone do this, what would Cassie of 1 be? Cassie, what would Cassie of 1 be? Yes. Because you took negative 1 plus 7 equals 6. Chloe, what is Chloe of 1?
2.
How'd you do that?
Because 2 times 1 is 2.
2 times 1 is 2. Savannah of 1. How'd you do that?
Because 1 plus 5 is 6.
1 plus 5 equals 6. Walter of 1. Why is it 3? Because there's no x, so your answer is going to be 3. Abram of 1. How'd you do that?
I just did negative 2 times 1.
The 1 has to go to be like negative 2 times 1 to the 4th. So following PEMDAS, your exponents has to be first.
Yeah, and on the other side of the door as well. That might just make it harder to close.
Should I ask him about it? He said, come talk to me if it doesn't work. He said it's still going to be a lot.
So what would that equal?
It's only the one thing right now, but
Let's do. Where's Boston?
Negative 2, positive 2.
Ah,
Where's a negative in front?
it is negative.
Because 1 to the 4th is 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Chloe?
Why isn't there an X in Walters?
Because this is just a constant. It's a constant function.
A constant means that it's not affected by an X. Like, for example, let's say that you were paid per hour to babysit for me,
Okay.
and I was going to give you $10 an hour.
Okay.
Your equation would be 10x, right? Because if you babysat for 2 hours, I'd give you $20. 10 hours, I'd give you $100, right? But what if instead I just said, I'm going to give you $50 to babysit for me. I don't know how long I'm going to be. I'm going to give you $50.
Okay.
Then how long you babysat for me wouldn't matter. It would just be a constant, just 50.
So it could be any number and still be 3.
Okay, now whoever didn't volunteer, you don't have to solve these ones, okay?
You do.
You do? The
Wait,
ones
you
who
don't
didn't
have to solve
the
them?
ones who didn't volunteer?
Oh, I thought you said the ones who did volunteer.
The ones who didn't volunteer.
Oh, my bad.
The ones who did volunteer, who are volunteering, so Cassie, Chloe, Savannah, Walter, and Abram, you have to do 2 more math problems.
Wow.
Nice.
Your input is positive 2. So Cassie of 2, what would your result be?
Maybe 2.
If you plug 2 in for what x is, it'd be negative 2 plus 7.
Five.
5. Yes, that is correct. Chloe of 2.
4.
4 is correct. Savannah of 2.
7.
7. What is Walter of 2?
5.
3.
3, yeah.
Why would it be 3?
I don't know.
Because it's a constant, so x isn't affecting it. So this number inside doesn't change what your result is going to be. Your result will always be 3.
You always say 3.
Abram of 2?
Negative 32.
Negative 32 is correct. Cassie of negative 1.
Would be 6.
If we have a negative 1, it's a negative times a negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 is what?
1.
Positive 1. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is correct. Chloe of negative 1.
Negative 2.
Negative 2 is correct. Savannah of negative 1.
4.
4 is correct. Walter of negative 1.
3.
3. And Abram of negative 1.
Give me 1 second. It's negative 2.
Negative 2. Why is it negative 2?
Because,
You're right, Abram. Explain yourself.
because if you just write it all out and then do PEMDAS, because you guys do negative 1 to the 4th,
Mm-hmm.
and that's negative 1 and then negative 2 times negative 1. That doesn't make that.
Negative 1 to the 4th, you're going to put it in parentheses, remember? So it'd be a negative 1 times a negative 1 is a positive 1. Times a negative 1 is negative 1. Times another negative 1 is a positive 1. And then 1
Yeah.
times negative 2 is negative 2.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Abram. Try this in your calculator right now.
I got you. Negative 1.
Right. And that's because calculators are stupid.
Yeah.
In calculators, they do PEMDAS because they're robots. So it's doing 1 to the 4th power first without the negative. And then it's tacking on a negative, like multiplying by negative 1. But if instead you put parentheses around it, which is above the 7, try that now.
Next one.
Mm-hmm.
Calculators are stupid. Human beings are smart.
Those who volunteered come up and get a prize.
Oh, let's go.
Cassie, should we do it?
It's a mustache, man. Fu Manchu. Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to want you to write these two equations down. H of x equals negative 6x squared plus 18x plus 36. And f of x equals negative 2x plus 9.
What's the thing in the middle?
I'm just separating these two functions. So you could write it like below it if you wanted to. Example 1. We're trying to find h of 2. How do I know what function to use? What equation am I using to find h of 2? The first one. Why the first one, Rinley?
H of X.
H of X, because H is just a name, right? So we're going to do negative 6 times, what's inside? Instead of X, we have a 2. Following the orders of PEMDAS, what do we do first? Parentheses. And like the exponents, we could do this too, right? So we're going to do negative 6 times, what's 2 times 2? 4. What's 18 times 2?
36.
36 is correct. Continue with the parentheses by multiplying, right? So we're going to multiply negative 6 times 4 to get negative 24 plus 36 plus 36. When you add those together, you add negative 24 plus 36 plus 36 to get 48. Let's do another example. Example 2. We have f of 4 plus 3.
If you guys would wait 1 second, Mr. Acorn. She's going to finish one more example, and then we'll be working, and that'll be the time to do it.
That's fine. I'm just
How do we
taking
know?
calculations.
How do we know what function to use? Which equation are we using with f of 4 plus 3? The second one, yes. So we're going to start with negative 2 times, instead of x, we have 4 plus 9. And we got to put that all in parentheses, right? Because this is what we're solving, f of 4 plus 3. So what is the plus 3 really meaning? Tack it on at the end. That is correct. So we're going to solve everything that's inside the parentheses, following the PEMDAS rule. So what's negative 2 times 4? Negative 8. And negative 8 plus 9 is 1. 1 plus 3 equals? 4 is correct. Okay, I'm going to give you this next problem. Once you have this written down. And you're going to work on it with your post-it partner. Are you ready for me to flip? We have f of 5 minus f of 1. Now, how do we set this up? What equation are we using? F of, yes, so that would be the negative 2x plus 9, right? But instead of x, what do we have to use? 5. So it would be negative 2 times 5 plus 9 minus negative 2 times what? 1 plus 9. Okay, with your post-it partner, try to solve this one.
So they're putting an extra board on the outside because the board they're screwing into is this big. Oh, so they're putting an extra board here so that they have more to drill into.
Are you sure you want
Too distracting, but if it is, tell them to stop.
Right? Yes.
Yeah.
I like how this is blonde.
I got the block back
Where do you get your from? Amazon. I think I got like 60 mustaches for like $6. You really need to go to
Came out where? Oh, like it push. I got to push.
Doesn't matter which way you go.
There's a little gap in the bottom.
Somewhere near.
Doing all the sun rules of stolen. Trust me. Oh, wait. For realistic. Last year you got 14, 16.
Her hair must grow really fast.
Is it healthy? I don't know.
Your hair looks lovely. Well,
We have
your mustache.
volunteers.
Yeah.
Talk with your partner and see if you want to come up here. 1, 2, 3. You're 3. You're 4. You're 5.
Five?
Maya, are you talking to Luis at all?
Yeah.
That face says no. He's protecting you.
Five.
Do you have the same answer?
Probably not.
Scoot over.
Look, I want to come out.
3.
Oh, I moved it.
Yeah. The bottom one's on that. Until they get.
Alright, do I start?
Yep.
Oh, alright. So we're going to multiply negative 2 by 5, and we're going to get negative 10. And then we'll have to add the 9. And then we got a minus. Well, then we'll multiply negative 2 times 1, we'll get negative 2 plus 9. And then we got, we'll do negative 10 minus, or plus 9, and we get, what was that, negative 1. And we got the negative 2 plus 9 is 7, and then we got a minus, the negative 9, minus the negative 1, sorry, minus the 7, you should get negative 8.
Yay, good job.
Yeah.
Good work, guys. Get a prize.
Did I get the handle on this?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
We need to work towards the closer.
Okay, example number 3.
Example number 3.
Example 3. H of 4 minus F of 1. How do we know which function we're supposed to use first? H. Because H is the name, right? So we're going to use a negative 6 times not x, but 4 squared plus 18 times 4 plus 36, and close the parentheses. Minus, what's our f function? F of 1. Negative 2 times 1 plus 9. Squared. So 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 18 times 4 equals
What? 4 times what?
18 times 4, 72.
18 times 4, 72.
Negative 2 times 1, plus 9. What is negative 6 times 16?
Negative 6 times 6.
Negative 96. Plus 72 plus 36 minus negative 2 plus 9.
7.
7. Combine. So negative 96 plus 72 plus 36 equals
I'm going to go with the guess. 23. No. It's not 23.
so 12
You win some, you lose some.
minus 7. 5 is correct.
I'm going to guess.
Why did we plug 4 in here and not 1? Because it said H 4. Mm-hmm.
It's first.
Correct. Okay, this is your last problem that you need to do. H of 3 minus F of 2. Work with your partner and solve.
Make it be plus.
Are we still using the one?
Yes. You're still using the one things.
Oh, it's both of them.
Okay, Maya, just for fun this time, talk out loud. All of you need to talk to your partner.
That's Talia.
Talk. Is it really?
That's Talia. This is Talia.
I'm so sorry.
You're good.
My dude, you didn't even say
I was
anything earlier. I told you Maya earlier, and you're like,
That's
whatever, I'll
Maya.
take it.
It's not Maya.
Hey, come here. Darn it.
You're gonna taper?
You didn't say anything either, Maya. I'm very sorry, Talia. I was so confident about it, too.
I know you were really
And they didn't
confident.
correct me, and I was like, yes! God, I was proud of myself.
After we said 3 to the top.
No. No. What'd you do?
No, with your stuff. Gallon. Crazy.
You don't have to go trick or treat and dress up for Halloween.
I'll do it with you.
You don't have to
I'll be your
go
kid.
dress up for Halloween. Because they're not. They're not dressing in.
Wait, is this right?
I need to walk.
I'm so good.
To be fair, though, Maya, we're all not.
I would think you
I'll be 30 years old.
I would think if you wanted to get teddy bears.
I'm got to say this.
That's a good thing. That's not a bad thing.
It's my job.
It means they don't want to.
It's my job.
It's something kind of square, too.
Am I tripping? Oh my god.
No. Here, you can have.
What's that? No. Look at that carrot.
Wait, no.
It's perfect. Yeah, now it's imperfect the other way. Look.
I don't think I do personally. What is the answer? Who said do it right? That wasn't I do wrong. So this, I'm just.
You want to see what you look like?
Look at it. Yes. I have my mouth. I bet it looks so beautiful. 3 to the 9 to the 3. So this equals
Oh, my door no longer shuts.
Oh yeah.
Fuck. I gotta use this side.
Also,
Oh, now it's perfect the other way.
You know what? I'm gonna go with mustache. Yeah, let's stop cutting your mustache.
There we go.
Dude, your mustache is falling apart. It's so deteriorating.
and that just equals what is negative?
I didn't like how it felt. This is at least better.
And then what is that?
Better
0
than my
plus
face.
Go for it.
Do we have volunteers?
Yes.
36. It's 36. So right 36. But then you do the other side. So what's negative? Yeah. Plus 9.
Hey,
But I would
Abram,
imagine it's a
Kat,
wood block.
Savannah. 1, 2, 3.
3.
3. You're 3. Is there only 3 volunteers?
5. So 36 minus 5.
Number 2, group 2. This is the last one, and then you'll get your homework assignment.
Is it long?
This time this is much shorter.
Is this the one you were doing?
Yeah.
Hey, right, I'm like,
Oh, wait, 'cause these are the videos.
Not the one you got yesterday. But like, yes, you're getting your stuff.
My beautiful mustache.
Section just has a red hole stuff.
someone gonna take me to Barbara.
You gotta line it up.
Yeah.
It was already lopsided. I made it better.
Okay. So,
Hey guys, listen.
H3 minus F2 equals negative 6 times 3 squared plus 18 times 3 plus 36 minus negative 2 times 2 plus 9. Okay. Then you do 3 squared to get 9, so you have negative 6 times 9, and then you do 18 times 3 to get 54, so it's negative 6 times 9 plus 54 plus 36, minus, then you do negative 2 times 2 to get negative 4, so it's negative 4 plus 9. Okay. And negative 6 times 9 is negative 54. So you have negative 54 plus 54 plus 36 minus 5. Negative 54 and 54 can cancel each other out, so you get 36 minus 5, which is 31.
Oh, they're having a good time clapping today.
Okay, your homework assignment.
Listen up.
Page 154, numbers 16 to 27 all. This is due on Tuesday. We have a mini thing on Monday that we're going to do, and then you'll have a work day to work on this assignment and yesterday's assignment, okay? Due Tuesday.
Anybody want a copy of the notes?